Okay, so we're in dances and Elise is doing her death job. Oh god. No, we're getting food at Buc-ee's because we're going to the game, which we all kind of want to die, but like I'm not going to disclose why. What are you getting?
What? I don't know. I was just saying how Buc-ee was me before I got my business. I want that Buc-ee's business then. Someone let me know. Is it dinner or are we?
Reagan.
Guys,
good snacks. What are y'all doing?
She goes, what size did y'all get? And then she matches them and they're like literally the same. Love you.
She's more.
I'm stupid.
Oh, me too, honey. What did y'all get? I got an ice cream.
I can't get my stupid little one.
I'm not healthy. Wait, hold up.
Oh my god, yeah. Okay, so we're at the football game. And we are just on a track with no stands because they don't have visitor stands. And here,
we were like,
she was sort of stupid waiting outside.
Here's my team. Say hi. And there's Jenny.
She's stuck behind us.
We just got done with the football game. And hey, Reagan, say hi.
Hi.
And now we're gonna go to King. Oh my god, there's so many people in here. This is why we told Jennifer. This is why we told you to eat inside. What the heck? What is that? That's like aliens.
That's not a cell phone tower. It's moving. No, it's moving.
No, it's moving. Okay, so we just got home, and as you can see, we saw a freaking alien, and Jennifer and I are gonna get kidnapped because we're the only two who saw it. Okay, so it's a little dark because I just got home, but I survived, you know, like on the drive home. Like aliens didn't attack me, so that's great. Don't know how Jen's doing, but I'll see you guys tomorrow for my fair vlogs. So bye. That's a tornado siren. Oh my god. I look like trash. I'm gonna die ugly. Oh my god. That was a little scary, you know, like the whole tornado, like the warning is gone and I'm out of the hallway, not like that scared anymore, but like I still don't know if I'm going to the fair or not. Honestly, I really want to, but I might not. Like if this is gonna happen again, I'm staying home. I'm dying with my family. Okay, we're on the Starship and we're about to fly. We're gonna fly away. I'm so ready for this.
I like this one.
Yeah, this one's kind of fun.
Time to sit up.
We're like, oh god. We have to jump.
Hurry up and slide already. Like,
We have to jump.
tell me when.
Up. Ah! Oh, no, right. We're like spinning in gravity, so like taking everyone's bodies, and we all just sat up. I'm about to fly back right now. I like have no hands on this. Like I'm gonna fall. Oh, gravity is about to kill me. Okay, we're all sitting up now.
Wait, should I stand?
No. Oh my god, you're gonna fly off. Elise! Oh my god.
This is fun.
It's slowing down now, and now we're standing up.
I'm gonna drop her phone.
No, I'm not. We're on the Raven right now.
Like,
No, it's not. The fair looks really nice.
it does look really nice. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, it looks so nice.
We're on the Raven and we're like gonna. Oh, my stomach. We're gonna try.
Like this one's not like screaming. It's just
Watch me about to scream. That's probably about to scream.
We're trying to not fall
Oh, it's
out.
so pretty. Oh,
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Okay, but this is really fun and we'll see what happens on the next one. We're on the pole position. So we're about to go through all of this.
it's very spinny. I don't like it. Well,
It's very spinny.
it's not that I don't like it. Oh, you're on the edge. Have fun with that. You get to
Love
look over
that.
the nothingness.
No, this is fun.
Spinny. Oh, look at that one. That looks fun.
Oh, I love that one.
We're gonna die on that one. Like, actually.
Okay, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Oh no, we don't go down. Just kidding.
No, we go down in a second, and then it's just like it gets really fast. It gets really fast and really spinny.
Oh god.
Yeah, I love this.
Love this so much.
Love this.
Whoa. Oh yeah.
There's a drop in a second.
Oh no.
It's
Cameron. Okay. I'm sorry. Here we go.
oh, here, good little baby
Drop. Oh my god. Okay. That was not a baby drop.
Okay.
Okay. You lied.
I did this a year ago.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're dead.
That was fun.
Oh, we're dead.
We didn't die though.
Okay.
Okay. So we're getting on this upside down ride. They're like, where is it? Oh, it just like spins around too much.
Like,
Oh, we're about to get on. And then we obviously can't like video on this, so I'm gonna drop my phone and then my mom.
You're basically standing in midair.
Yeah, my mom's gonna kill me. So love that. This is what we're about to get on. Verdict is we think we're gonna die, but like we probably won't. So
They won't let us sit next to each other.
yeah, the wish us luck. So this ride, we don't know what it's called.
I have no idea.
No idea. But
We didn't die on that last one.
yeah, we didn't die. So surprisingly. But now we're about to start spinning like really fast.
It's not gonna be bad. This is gonna be so chill. Cut to smash cut.
We're on a ride and you called me! I love you so much! We're on the Arctic Blast right now. It's
So fun.
so fun. Like
It
goes
rattles
so
a lot.
fast.
It rattles a lot, and it kind of hurts a little bit at the beginning, or not the beginning. Like, you know, when it starts rattling.
Yeah.
Whatever that is. So all that. Oh.
We're about to get on this one in a
What's it
few
called?
seconds, minutes actually.
What's it called?
It's called the Spin Out. So it's about to be really fun.
Sounds-
And we'll let you know if we die, but we're gonna not. We're getting on the Ferris wheel and we have food. So I have what are they called? Fried Oreos. Fried Oreos and pizza. And
I have
chef
pizza. And it's hella good.
Yeah, and we're about to get on the Ferris wheel. We're on the Ferris wheel now, and we have dinosaur arms because it's freaking cold up here. But like, look at it. It's so pretty. Okay, we're at the top. And this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. So like, that's what it looks like when you look down. And there's all the people waiting in line.
Look at that parking lot. Look at how full that parking lot is.
Yeah, and then like there's the whole city. Having so much fun. I mean, not really, but like, you know, it's fine. What are you supposed to do on a freaking Ferris wheel? It looks pretty. I'm just gonna like wait for it to. You see a big cloud of smoke. And back up. Okay, we're going on the Genesis. We are.
This is my favorite.
It's so fun. My stomach. Oh no.
Wait, turn it the other way so you can see what it's doing.
Okay, we're on the swings
We're on Vertigo.
called Vertigo, and we're about to swing around the whole fair. So get ready for this. We're already like lifting off the ground. Okay, so we're on the swings now, and we're going around the fair. I look like a what? I look so. Oh my god, the people in the back.
Chains. These are so like sketchy chains.
Okay, so I just got home from the fair, which was really fun. I mean, like, you saw the clips or whatever, but like, now I'm gonna go to bed and not think about aliens again because that was very scary and half of the team slept with the lights on. So that's fun, and I'm not really sure what the next video is gonna be, next clip, because I got scared because my life is kind of like not that interesting. It's just like the same thing every week, but we'll see. Good night.